Yes, hello boys and girls, good morning, welcome to class. Today is a very good day because we want to learn about fractions. So our topic today here is fractions, and we are saying that a fraction is part of a group or part of a whole. We are going to learn more on this when we are going to make our paper cutouts. But for now, I would like us to proceed and learn about parts of a fraction. If a fraction is written as A over B, where A represents a number and also B represents another number, for instance, A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 3. So we have a fraction here we call 2/3. Then the number at the top is called the numerator and the number at the bottom is called the denominator. In most cases, the denominator is bigger than the numerator. But as we are progressing, we are going to look at other different situations where the numerator can be bigger than the denominator. That is now when we learn about types of fractions. We have 3 types of fractions, and they are, number 1, the proper fractions. From the word proper, it means that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. That is, the number at the top is smaller than the number at the bottom. So, the numerator being smaller and the denominator being bigger, then it makes the fraction a proper fraction. We have examples of proper fractions here. We have a half, a quarter, 2/5, and 2/9. Remember that for this fraction to be a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here we have 1 as the numerator, and at the bottom we have 4. So this is a proper fraction. 2 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. So it is a proper fraction, and so on. Another type of fractions that we are learning is about the improper fraction, the opposite of proper. Now here, improper means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Examples here are 9/4. The digit at the top is bigger than the digit at the bottom. The number representing the numerator is bigger than the number representing the denominator. So this, it makes it improper. Then we have 5/2, because 5 is bigger than 2. That is, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. It makes it improper. Then we have the 10/3. Also 10 being bigger than 3. 6 as the numerator being bigger than 4, the denominator. And then 7 being bigger than the numerator, the denominator, which is 3. We call those ones improper fractions. Remember, when learning fractions, we normally say that a chicken cannot carry an elephant. So, in this scenario for the improper fractions, you note that small numbers are carrying bigger numbers. Your chicken here is carrying this big elephant. Practically, that is impossible. So that's why we are saying it is an improper fraction. 2 being smaller, carrying 3. I mean carrying 5. 2 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 10. 4 is smaller than 6. And 3 is smaller than 7. So we call this one improper fractions. Then number C, we have mixed fractions. This is when we have a whole number which is combined with a fraction. Examples here include 3 and 1/3. We have 4 and 2/5. Then we have 9 and 5/8. Remember, class, that 3 in this example, 3 is a whole number. A third is a fraction. 4 here is also a whole number, and 2/5 is a fraction. On this other end, 9 is also a whole number, and 5/8 is a fraction. In this case, since we have a whole number and a fraction, we call it mixed fractions. Boys and girls, we learn more. We are going to interact with these fractions so that we may be able to understand. Goodbye for now. Thank you.